Hey Flower this is Lavender, and today I'm going to show you how to do the makeup for the Skull Trooper and the Ghoul Trooper from Fortnite. These looks are actually really easy to do and perfect for Halloween. I do a bunch of costume tutorials and character makeup looks on my channel, so hit that red subscribe button to subscribe and click that like button. Okay, now I'm going to show you step by step how to get these looks. Okay, so I'm going to paint my face to look like the Skull Trooper from Fortnite. And first, I'm going to put on this tactical face head mask thing. Okay, awesome. Looks like I'm like a medieval knight or I'm about to go fencing or something. I'm using Mayron Paradise Paint Creamy Foundation in white, and I'm applying that all over my face using a sponge. Having my black face paint, this is water activated face paint. So I just put some water in it and mixed it around to activate it. Now I can use it. I'll close my eye first. And I am applying this on the lid. Make sure you don't get it into your eye. My whole face is white. It's kind of hard to see where my eyebrows are or anything. Okay, and to make the outside edges all nice, you can use a smaller brush like this to go in. Okay, next I'm gonna do the nose with some more black face paint. Okay, and if your water activated face paint gets a little dry, you can just keep adding more water to it, like I just did. Okay, here comes the nose. We're gonna outline it first. So like the middle up here, and then it goes down. Kind of really wide. I'm drawing like outside my nose. Okay, just like that, and I'm gonna fill it in. If you're intimidated with doing this look, you just piece it up, right? Like first we did the eyes, now we're on the nose. And like the mouth and the cheeks. So you just do it bit by bit and it'll make it easier, less intimidating. Okay, there we are. Now we're looking more like a skeleton. This look reminds me a lot of when I transformed myself into the skeletons from the movie Coco. I also have it on my channel. I did that last year. Yes. Or this year. I think in January. Okay, now we're going to do the cheeks. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to use my features. So I'm going to draw a line right under here, like underneath my cheekbones, and then a line down here. Okay, and then you connect the two lines. Okay, now I'm going to fill that in. It's a little bit more gray than black. So I'm gonna like lightly fill it in. Hopefully, maybe. Let's see how that goes. Now that is some contour we're doing. Look at that. There we go. I guess now with the mouth, we're gonna start by putting some ovals on either side. Okay, so now we're almost done. Just now for the like teeth. You will want a thin brush for this. I'm gonna draw a line down my mouth. And then 3 lines on either side. Make sure you space them out so they all fit. There we go, and then you just connect them all. You do like an arch over each one. Okay, now that is some lip liner. Okay, same to the bottom. Okay, well look at this. I would say I'm ready for Halloween now. This is a really simple look. It looks a little intense, but it's actually really easy to do as long as you go step by step with it. And this is cooler than just wearing like a mask. I know you can buy the costume and it comes with the mask, but the Skull Trooper, like it has face paint. He has face paint on. And the costume I'm wearing, I actually made it. In my last video, I showed you how to do it, so check that out. Now that we did the Skull Trooper's makeup, let's do the Ghoul Trooper's makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna make myself into the Ghoul Trooper from Fortnite. It's like a pop art zombie. First, I'm gonna paint myself a really pretty turquoise. I mixed this color right here by mixing this green with this turquoise. It makes it even more of like a greenish turquoise color. You can mix colors to get it, or you can buy paint that's already this color. And this is water activated face paint again, so you gotta mix water with it. And this palette is my Arteza palette if you want a palette like this. And now I'm gonna put that really pretty greenish, turquoise is a greenish color. That that turquoise color all over. I'm applying it with a sponge. I think for this year, Fortnite is bringing back both the Ghoul Trooper and the Skull Trooper. I think they're adding other skins as well. Okay, and for some reason, the sponge applied it way too lightly. So I'm going back in with a brush to make it darker. I really load up my sponge with it. It'll do good. Like usually sponge is a nice even cover. I'm just going in with a brush because that is working really, really well. This look is very, very vibrant and bright and colorful. Okay, now that my face is completely covered, I'm going to cover my neck and my arms. Water activated face paint dries, and when it dries, it's hard to go over it because it will be blotchy if you do that. So make sure you get one part really nice and covered, nice and even before you move on to the next part. Okay, so now that I'm turquoise, I am gonna paint on the eyebrows of the Skull Trooper and the nose. I got a dark gray color right here. I got this by mixing black and gray together. She got some amazing eyebrows. They start off like thick like this. And then they come to a point right here, and then they go down. Oh, like that. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Got some eyebrows now. Okay, next is the nose, grabbing the same color. And let's see, it's kind of like a triangle. Like this, and then drawing it down. There we are. Okay, since I already have this black gray color already, I'm gonna draw the like pop art lines on her. Let's see. Never done anything like this. Let's see how it goes. I'm grabbing a super fine brush. This is just a paintbrush I have. Okay, let's see how it'll go. I'm kind of nervous to do this. Okay, here we go. It's like one line like that. There's like another line next to it. Those lines down the neck. Okay, there we go. Now I look pop art somehow. This means how that works. Okay, looking really good so far. Now I'm gonna do the eyes, some mascara and eyeliner. Okay, apply mascara to my lashes. This is mascara from Too Faced. And then some eyeliner. What is this? This is a Physicians Formula. I like how this look is both pretty and creepy. It's a really unique look. Not a lot of people do like face paint for Halloween costumes. So it'd be really unique. Okay, and then she has like a wing. So drawing a line out and then a line to connect it to make a wing. Okay, now some for the bottom eyelid. Yeah, lash line. Okay, and this eye has some eyelashes like drawn down on the bottom. So I'm taking the liquid eyeliner and it starts in the middle and then it uses draw some kind of like triangles for eyelashes. And now for the fun stuff, here we go. Got some bright pink. We're gonna put some bright pink blushes on. First one is under the eye right here. This is super, super hot pink from Mayron Paradise Paints. Never used it before. I think I've had this for like a year. I was gonna use it for something else. And first time using it. This is really nice paint. It's nice and creamy. Gonna put some down below. And then it has a pink blotch right here. Just a little dot of pink. Pink is really pretty for this look. It's like a neon pink. This look is very vibrant. Okay, there we are. Okay, so now for the lips. This side has like teeth and this side is like a bright green lips. So I got this bright green color right here, also from Mayron Paradise Paint. And I'm just applying that like lipstick. There we go, that's an awesome lip color right there. Okay, I love that color. One side done, now the other side, we're just gonna paint white lips to make the teeth. And again, just using my Arteza palette, that white right there. It's nice to have a face paint palette because then you can use all these colors. You can mix them together to make the color that you want, like we did for the skin. Again, for the white part, it's like teeth. So I'm actually gonna paint like more kind of like boxy right here. I really like the two-tone lip. That is so cool. What if I can wear this out and about? That'd be a good look. Okay, back to that pink. I'm gonna put that around this side of the mouth. Okay, so the look is almost totally completed. Now we're just gonna like outline some of the parts. First, we're gonna draw on the teeth, grabbing that same color we did for the nose and the eyebrows. Okay, there's the teeth, and now just like the Skull Trooper, we're gonna draw arcs on each one, connecting each line. Awesome, man. This is looking amazing. Oh, this might be one of my favorite looks I've done. Okay, next is to outline the green lips. Outline the pink stuff. Gotta scoot close to see all that. Lenny really gives it that pop art effect for the Ghoul Trooper. Going back up to the eye and outlining this. And it has a line like this. Outlining this little pink dot. This is amazing! Wow! Okay, I'm pretty impressed with myself. To be honest, even though I do all these tutorials, I don't like consider myself a great artist or anything. So I'm really impressed I did a look like this. The trick is you just do it piece by piece, you know? Like I drew on the mouth and then I did the pink. So you just really do piece by piece, and then it makes it way easier. So you can do an intense, amazing look like this. Okay, I'm gonna pop on the wig to fully complete the Ghoul Trooper from Fortnite. Okay, now it's completely done, the Ghoul Trooper from Fortnite. I have the wig on. This is the same wig I used for Miss Incredible Elastigirl in my Incredible video. It was really poofy, so I just put it behind my ears, flattened it, and put some fiber, it's like some wax stuff, and scoot it back, and then some sunglasses on top. And now we're the Ghoul Trooper from Fortnite. That's it for this video. Here are some other videos you might like, and click my face right here, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. I'm really starting to update those more. That'll be in the description. Okay, have a blooming day, and I'll see you next time.